To turn off the virus on Windows 11, first navigate to your start menu and tap on it. Then on this interface, make sure to tap on settings. This will land you on an interface like this with a bunch of menus on the left panel. Proceed to tap on privacy and security. Then under privacy and security, continue to tap on Windows security. And this is where the magic will happen. Make sure to tap on virus and threat protection. And then with this selected, this will open a new interface like this. Under it, continue to tap on manage settings and the virus and threat protection settings. And there you are. This is where you have to do a little bit of changes. Under real-time protection, continue to toggle this off. And then scroll down a bit under cloud delivered protection. Make sure to also toggle this off and continue to toggle anything that you see here off. With the temper protection, make sure it's also toggled off. So when you scroll down to the last interface, you could see control folder access. Proceed to tap on manage control folder access, and this will direct you to an interface like this. If the control folder access is already toggled on, proceed to toggle this off. And that's it. You have successfully turned off antivirus on Windows 11. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll do my best to attend to you. If you enjoyed this video, consider subscribe and give this video a like. See you in the next video.